guys, this is video number 2, and we're beginning on page AC239 with adding fields in the datasheet view. Alright, so it said previously you added fields to a table using design view. You can also add fields in datasheet. One way to do so is add and delete group on the table tool fields, which is figure 5.9, which we're going to look at in a minute. Alright, it says select the field that precedes the position where you want to add the new field. Then click the appropriate button, and click short text, number, currency to add a currency, and so on. All right, so the gallery provides more options for ways to display various types of data. If you click the checkbox version of a yes/no, the field will be displayed as a checkbox, which is a common way to display. And so we're going to go on and do that because there's a bunch of other fields to do: address, city, state, province, whatever. And then input mask, there's just some different information about your input mask characters. Okay, now here it is, pictures explaining what I was doing in words. So you have date and time, yes, no. There's a tab for fields, currency, numbers, short text with a definition, data type galleries right here. More fields button displays data type gallery. And so in datasheet view, you can rename fields by right-clicking the field name and clicking rename field on the shortcut and then typing in the new name. Delete a field by clicking the field and then clicking the delete table tools field tab, add delete group, and then move a field from one location to another by dragging it. And then here's some questions to get you kind of thinking. Updating new fields. Now, to enter the data using an input mask, which is where we left off, open the account manager table, which we're already there, and close the navigation pane. Okay, so click at the beginning of the phone number field. Okay, so click right here at the beginning of the phone number field. On the first record to display an insertion point. Well, I clicked too far. There we go. Step 2. Type 825 555 3455. So right here, figure 511, it's showing you. Use the same technique to enter the remaining telephone numbers as shown in 512. Okay, so next one, we're going to click right here. And it's (317) 555 6754. And the next one is 930 555 7200. And click here. 779 555 289. Okay, so the next step is to enter data in the yes/no fields. If necessary, click the right scroll arrow shown in figure 515. So you can go over and, oh, that's the arrow down here. See, way over here. Hey guys, right here. Right hand side, all the way over. To set the value to yes, place a check mark in the box Y. The check mark indicates that the value is yes or true. To set a value to no, leave the checkbox blank. All right, so click the checkbox in the PHR field. Okay, right there. So click the right scroll arrow until, okay, so it moved it over. And then on the first record, just click that. Place a check in the box. To enter data in long text fields, to update a long text field, simply type the data in the field. You will later change the spacing to allow more room. So let's go to the next one. All right. So, if necessary, click the right scroll arrow to get to special skills. I did. Click the special skills field on the first record right there. And then type fluent in Spanish. Excellent. Conversational and communication skills. Mentors new employees. Okay, number 2, click the special skills fields on the second one right there and type conflict management and negotiation skills, excels at labor. Make sure you type right. And then third field here, right here, over here. Excellent communication skills, previous IT experience, familiar with human resources management software. And then on the fourth record, type accounting background, Microsoft certification in Excel. Now at the bottom it's telling you to change your row and column size. Following steps resize the column containing special skills field and the rows of the table. So let's go to the next page. Number 1, use the right scroll arrow shown in figure 515. Scroll to the fields the position shows, which is this one. Okay, so we're already at special skills. And then drag the right edge of the field to the right to resize the column. Okay, so this is just like you would do in Excel. Okay, so it doesn't say how far, so just so you can see it's in there. Number 2, drag the lower edge of the record selector to approximately the position as shown. So over here on the left, basically you're going to get it to wrap. You know, if you want to make it a little bit bigger, there you go. Okay. And then undo and changes to row height and column width. Okay, so this is the second video because we're going to do something new. And so that's it for this one. Okay, guys? I hope you know when I say guys, I mean gals.